Hello everyone. Today we will discuss the concept of electromagnetic induction and Faraday's experiments. So electromagnetic induction is the production of induced EMF and induced current in a closed circuit whenever flux linked with it changes, right? So it is the production of induced EMF and induced current in a closed circuit whenever flux linked with it which flux are we talking about? Magnetic flux with it changes. This is called as electromagnetic induction. Now let's recall the Faraday's laws of electromagnetic induction which we have studied in class 10th. So we are just drawing diagram. So we have this coil where we have galvanometer, right? And again we have this galvanometer in this as well, and third case also we have this galvanometer. Now in this case we are bringing a magnet towards it. In this case we are taking the magnet away from it, and in this case we have kept another coil near it with a battery attached to it, and it has a key which can be plugged in or removed, right? So what were the experiments actually? And the experiment was that in this case it was observed that whenever the magnet is coming towards the coil, closed coil, the momentary deflection appears here till there is motion of the magnet. Here also when it is receding away, then also we have deflection in the galvanometer till this magnet keeps on receding away. And here the momentary deflection is there when the key is plugged in or taken out, right? But not after the current is established in the circuit, second circuit, right? So these are the experiment which he performed, and on the basis of these experiments Faraday gave his laws of electromagnetic induction, right? So here what I'm just writing the observations in short. So in first case I'm talking about this is momentary deflection in galvanometer when magnet approaches it, the closed circuit. And in this case same momentary deflection in galvanometer when magnet recedes away. Right? When magnet recedes away. Third is momentary deflection, when key is plugged in or taken out. Deflection not observed when the current is established. In the circuit. So these were the Faraday's experiments which he conducted. We'll study about Faraday's laws in the next video. That's all for now. Have a nice day.